Hello everyone, my name is Akshat Chaurya and continuing with hashtag DrGViswanathan challenge question number 92, square root. Basically, this is the question, easy question actually, and this is the solution. Okay, so this is not the interesting part. Interesting part is this is the space and time complexity which I got and majority got. Okay, so what is the optimal space and time complexity code? Let's see for a second. Yes, this is the code. This is my code and this is the optimal code. Where is the difference? My space complexity is also bad. What about you? Let's just try this. How? Where is the logic? Okay, times complexity, space complexity is still getting bad, but okay, thanks for watching and I will post more videos.